Machu Picchu, known as the Lost City of the Incas, is one of the most fascinating wonders of the world. Located in the Peruvian Andes at an altitude of about 2,430 meters above sea level, this extraordinary citadel is one of the most famous and visited archaeological sites in the world. In 1983, UNESCO declared it a World Heritage Site, and in 2007, it was included among the new 7 wonders of the world. Machu Picchu was built in the 15th century, likely during the reign of the Inca Emperor Pachacutec, one of the greatest rulers in Inca history. Its construction represented an extraordinary feat, considering the challenges of building in a remote mountainous region. Historians believe Machu Picchu had multiple functions. It could have been a residence for the Inca elite, a religious sanctuary dedicated to the worship of celestial bodies, or an administrative center for controlling the surrounding region. The citadel was abandoned during the decline of the Inca Empire, likely due to the arrival of Spanish conquistadors in the 16th century, although there is no evidence that the colonizers ever discovered Machu Picchu. For centuries, the site remained hidden within the dense vegetation of the Andean jungle until its rediscovery in 1911 by American explorer Hiram Bingham, who revealed its existence to the Western world. Machu Picchu is an extraordinary example of urban planning and architecture. The citadel is organized into 2 main sectors. This area includes numerous terraces built for farming. These terraces not only allowed the cultivation of potatoes, maize, and other crops but also had an engineering function, preventing soil erosion and regulating the flow of rainwater. This section featured ceremonial buildings, residences, plazas, and religious structures. Among the most iconic monuments are the Temple of the Sun, a semicircular structure dedicated to the worship of the sun, the main deity of the Inca religion. It is believed to have been used for religious ceremonies and astronomical observations. The Temple of the 3 Windows, a symbolic building whose 3 windows represent Inca cosmology and the division of the universe into 3 worlds, Hanan Pasha, the upper or celestial world, K Pasha, the earthly world, and Yuku Pasha, the underworld. The Intihuatana stone, a sundial carved from rock, used by the Incas to determine solstices and predict agricultural cycles. The Sacred Plaza, the ceremonial heart of the city, where religious and social events took place. The buildings of Machu Picchu are constructed with finely worked stones fitted together without the use of mortar, a technique known as perfect fit. This method provided exceptional resistance to earthquakes, which are common in the region. The construction of Machu Picchu demonstrates the remarkable engineering skills of the Incas. Situated on a mountain ridge, surrounded by steep cliffs and enveloped by tropical vegetation, the site required advanced techniques to adapt to the challenging environment. Agricultural terraces. These terraces were designed to maximize the use of available land and prevent landslides. Each level consisted of layers of stones, soil, and sand, allowing for efficient water drainage. Water system. Machu Picchu is crossed by a network of canals and fountains, which provided a constant supply of potable water and irrigated the terraces. This system was fed by natural springs located nearby. Anti-seismic structures. The buildings were designed to withstand frequent earthquakes thanks to the precise interlocking of stones and their flexible foundations. Machu Picchu is located in the Urubamba Valley, a region characterized by a unique microclimate. The combination of high altitude and humidity has fostered extraordinary biodiversity. The site is surrounded by cloud forests that host orchids, over 300 species of orchids, many of which are endemic to the region. Fauna. Animals in the area include the spectacled bear, the only bear species in South America, llamas, alpacas, and numerous bird species, including the majestic Andean condor. The historic sanctuary of Machu Picchu spans over 32,000 hectares and is a protected area to preserve this fragile ecosystem. Machu Picchu is one of the most popular tourist destinations in the world, attracting millions of visitors annually. However, intense tourism poses challenges to the preservation of the site. Peruvian authorities have implemented several measures to protect Machu Picchu, including 1. Daily visitor limits. A restricted number of people can enter the site each day to prevent overcrowding. 2. Trekking regulations. Trails leading to Machu Picchu, such as the famous Inca Trail, are regulated and require special permits. 3. Restoration projects. The structures are constantly monitored and restored to prevent damage. One of the most exciting ways to reach Machu Picchu is via the Inca Trail, a trekking route that passes through ancient Inca roads and breathtaking landscapes. Alternatively, visitors can travel by train to the town of Aguas Calientes from Cusco or Ollantaytambo, and then take a bus to the site. In addition to being a symbol of Inca culture, Machu Picchu has become a global icon. Its image appears on banknotes, stamps, and promotional materials for Peruvian tourism. Furthermore, it serves as an inspiration for artists, writers, and researchers worldwide. For many visitors, Machu Picchu is also a spiritual center, offering not only stunning beauty but also a connection to nature and ancient culture. Some believe the mystical energy of Machu Picchu derives from its geographic location and architectural design. Machu Picchu is not just a testament to the past but a universal reminder of the beauty of human heritage. Visiting it means immersing oneself in a history that weaves together nature, spirituality, and human ingenuity. Thank you for watching. Leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell to catch upcoming videos.